Hey there, welcome back to Clever Home Finds. I'm so excited to show you these. Here are 6 robot vacuums that honestly feel like a dream for your home. Let's get cozy. First up is the Eureka E20 Plus. Can you feel that? Its 8,000 Pascal suction is all about that barefoot clean sensation. No grit, no dust, just perfectly smooth floors. The best part? The bagless self-emptying station. It holds 45 days of debris while saving you money on bags. If you have pets, the anti-tangle brush is a lifesaver. It reduces hair wrap significantly, so you don't have to clean the brush yourself. And look at this, the Carpet Guard technology. It detects your rugs and lifts the mop automatically. Your floors stay sparkling and your carpets stay bone dry. Now, if you want to truly reclaim your time, meet the UR3 by Uninell. Imagine not thinking about your floors for 90 days. Its oversized station holds 3 months of debris, giving you total freedom. With 7,000 Pascal cyclone suction, it doesn't just surface clean. It intelligently senses carpets and instantly triples its power, pulling out every hidden crumb. The LiDAR navigation is incredibly precise. It maps your entire home, even multiple floors, so it never misses a spot. It's a quiet 3-in-1 powerhouse that sweeps, vacuums, and mops. You can control everything from your phone or just ask Alexa to start the clean. It's slim enough to glide under furniture and quiet enough to work while you relax. 2 years of warranty and a lifetime of clean floors. This is how home cleaning should feel. Now, meet the Q10 Pro. A true 4-in-1 powerhouse that takes the work out of floor care. With 5,000 Pascal suction, it effortlessly lifts dust and pet hair from every surface, and it even boosts its power the moment it touches a carpet. The advanced LiDAR navigation is like a brain for your home. It scans everything in real time, creating a precise map to ensure a systematic, thorough clean with 0 missed spots. But the real luxury is the self-emptying station. It holds up to 60 days of debris in its sealed base, so you can literally forget about vacuuming for 2 months. You have total control through the app. Set your schedules, or just tell Alexa to start the clean while you enjoy your coffee. With a 150-minute runtime, it covers your whole home and even recharges itself when needed. It's more than just a vacuum. It's the perfect, thoughtful gift for a busy life. Sit back, relax, and let the Q10 Pro handle the rest. Imagine a vacuum that literally does it all. This is the Eureka J15 Ultra, boasting an incredible 19,000 Pascal suction. It handles deep carpet dust and pet hair without breaking a sweat. But the real game changer is the base station. It actually washes the mop pads with hot water and dries them with heated air, so your home stays fresh and bacteria-free. Its unique FlexArm design reaches every single corner and edge, leaving no spot untouched. It navigates your home perfectly, even in the dark. 75 days of hands-free cleaning. This is the ultimate upgrade you've been waiting for. Ever wondered what real power looks like in a robot vacuum? This is the UBPET, and it's an absolute beast with 22,000 Pascals ultra-strong suction. It's designed to deep clean carpets and pull out every single embedded pet hair that others might leave behind. If you have pets, you'll love the tangle-free brush system. It actually prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, so you can finally say goodbye to that tedious maintenance. It's also incredibly smart. It effortlessly climbs onto high-pile carpets and instantly boosts its power for a deeper clean, while the LiDAR navigation maps your entire home with 360-degree precision. Even with all that strength, it operates at a quiet 60 decibels, so it won't disturb your home office or your favorite show. It's the perfect balance of raw power and intelligent design. Truly a game changer for any pet owner. Looking for a cleaner that's as kind to the planet as it is to your floors? Meet the Yeedi C12 Plus. It features an 8,000 Pascal motor and their signature pure cyclone technology, which separates fine dust without the need for disposable bags. The zero tangle brush is a total lifesaver. using dual comb teeth to keep hair from ever wrapping around the roller. It maps your entire home in just 8 minutes with laser precision, and with a massive 300-minute runtime, it just keeps going until the job is done. Efficient, eco-friendly, and incredibly smart. Which of these clever finds was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home upgrades. I'll see you in the next one.